Please step carefully onto the moving platform. Then, step into the vehicle and remain seated throughout your journey. Please stay clear of the doors. They open and close automatically. Please step carefully onto the moving platform. Then, step into the vehicle and remain seated throughout your journey. The doors open and close. They open and close automatically. Please step carefully onto the moving platform. The doors open automatically. Then, collect your belongings and set carefully on the now, return to station control.
Hi, WEDWay at your service, and I'm programmed to be your guide on this Peoplemover tour of Tomorrowland. You might say I'm starting off. Have you noticed this WEDWay Peoplemover car doesn't have an engine? Well, you see, these vehicles travel quietly and with no air pollution on a system of linear induction. That's kind of a fancy term for the special electromagnets that push and pull our vehicles around Tomorrowland. There are more than 600 of these electromagnets embedded along our WEDWay track. Circling above the Peoplemover station are the star jets. You can pilot your own whirling rocket to a height of 80 feet around the central tower and stop there for a Saturn V flight. Below is the entrance to Mission to Mars. Fascinating space experience developed in cooperation with NASA. We'll blast off to witness actual close-up views of our neighbor in space. Someday, systems like the WEDWay Peoplemover might be developed for your own city. They can even be used for transportation inside buildings. Why, this could lead to new concepts in city planning. Here's just such an idea for a model city of the future. The tallest building would combine living, working, and shopping areas into a central location. There's even an airport and an amusement park. Here's just such an idea. To the Grand Prix Raceway. But watch out! No one on that course needs a driver's license. the way, you can reach the Leica 1 colony. Have you ever wanted to fly like a bird? Well, that's almost the feeling you get gliding aboard our Skyway off to the left. Not me, though. The altitude makes me dizzy.
Soaring adventure through the magical romantic ages of aviation, presented by Delta Airlines.
This spectacular motion picture is presented on 9 screens that surround you with the magic of Circle Vision 360. You'll experience breathtaking vistas across America, from New York Harbor to my favorite, a wild ride at the Surf of Honolulu. This is Act 1, your computer, saying I hope you've enjoyed traveling aboard the WEDWay Peoplemover. And now, I'll return you to station control.
Please keep your arms and legs away from the doors. The doors open automatically. Then, collect your belongings and step carefully onto the moving platform. Thank you. Please keep your arms and legs away from the doors. The doors open automatically. Then, collect your belongings and step carefully onto the moving platform. Thank you.